Good morning, students. Today I will discuss with you how long socialization take place through sports and games at international and national level. So, first of all, look here. Sports and games play a significant role in socializing people. At any national level, sports and games competition when players from different states and regions meet each other. They come in contact of different culture and system each state and region has. So they speak different language, exhibit different eating habit, have different dressing sense and dress code also. So players while being with each other learn the different cultures and see their use practically. Okay, and they share their thought process, training practices with each other, and they meet dignitaries from new place and come to know about the culture of that place and thereby socializing themselves. And look, at the international level also the players from different countries represent their own country and its culture. Look, they learn to make friends, adjust with them and their cultural and living styles. And look here, they experience the modern facilities and latest equipment with latest technology. For example, look, in 2008 Beijing Olympics, the world has seen the presentation put up by China. Players from compete, care and share from each other. And hence it can be said that participating in games at any level, players learn a lot many things from each other which improves their behavior and they result to be a good citizen also. Understood? And next one I will discuss with you games and sports, a cultural heritage. How it will justify games and sports as cultural heritage. Look here. Culture can be defined as the behavior that comes to us either by inheritance or by the surroundings. Understood? And it is the thought process that an individual develops over a period of time during and his lifetime, particularly his childhood. Culture includes of our culture includes of our ways of living, eating habits, thought, customs, traditions, and morals also. Art, literature, then religion. So games and sports and many other aspects of life, the basic being the theory of how to live your life, how to live your life. So the modern culture that has emerged, actually the modern culture that has emerged which we observe today is not to a product of sudden change or development, but has evolved over centuries. The centuries of the past, actually it is a past that is reflected in the present culture. Okay, and history of the physical activities of a man is as old civilization itself, and the ancestors primitively used physical activities while may they went for what, hunting. Understood? For procuring food while wandering and also fighting enemies. Okay, and these physical activities included running, jumping, fighting, fishing and wrestling, etc. So games such as boxing, etc. originated in the past. So look here, students. What the physical activities history of man is as old as civilization itself, and the ancestors primitively used physical activities while they went for hunting, for procuring food while wandering and also fighting enemies. These are all physical activities included with running, jumping, fighting, fishing and wrestling also. So games and sports such as boxing etc. originated in the past. Okay, so the culture that we have inherited is a result of mixture of various culture, and in this project combination, in this project contributions of early Egyptians, Greeks and countries of the West cannot be find or cannot be forgotten, who have contributed to the development of modern day games and sports. Okay, so gymnastics activities also have come to us as a result of efforts of the Germans. It is they who gave a heavy gymnastics appearance. Look, gymnastics activities have come to us a result of efforts of the Germans, and it is they who gave heavy gymnastics apparatus like horizontal bar, vaulting horse and parallel bars etc. to the world. The British have contributed to the sports by originating and spreading ball games like football, hockey, basketball, handball, cricket. They introduced also games like volleyball and baseball. Understood? So, lastly, games such as archery, wrestling, and games like satraj are the contribution of Indian culture. Not only these are chess also Indian culture give us. So this culture has been in case from the time of Mahabharata. Also the games like Kabaddi and Kho-Kho are the contribution of India to the world. So this is a games and sports as a cultural heritage. Okay. So thank you.